How to add friends on eFootball 23. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how to add friends on eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now previously on PS 2021 we could add friends so that whenever we want to invite them, we would send an invite and they would get the code and then they would be able to join and play with us. But on eFootball 2023 there is no need to add friends, but you can still play with friends without having to add them. It's very simple because they changed the algorithm and the system a little bit. eFootball is completely different to PS 2021 or anything that we had before that. So in order to play with friends, you have to come to the match section here and then choose the option called friend match. So let's say that you are the person inviting your friend to play eFootball. You have to choose the option called create match room. You can set a password if you want, but I'm not going to set it because it's only going to increase the time. And then I'll just choose the option called create. Now once we create our match room, we have to wait until our friend joins this match room. But how do they join it? Well, I'll also tell you that. Now on your match room, you can see your room number at the very top, as you could clearly see over here. You just have to copy this room number and then give it to your friend. Once you copy this room number and then give it to your friend via Facebook or anywhere else, then your friend has to come back out of it. Then instead of creating a match room, because you have created it, your friend only needs to join that match room. So they have to go to the option called search match room and then they have to enter the match room code. Once they enter the match room code, they can simply search for that match room, and if there is an existing match room, now because in my case I just ended it, it is showing that no match room found. But if your friend gets the code, they'll be able to join that match room and then you two can start playing. But keep in mind that there is no option to add friends. We can only create a match room and then invite our friends to play with us, and that's all it takes to add friends on eFootball. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.